Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see the unboxing of this Prestige Deluxe Alpha Svachh 3 liter stainless steel pressure cooker, which is of outer lid. Prestige Deluxe Alpha Svachh. The name Svachh here is, this is the pressure cooker from the Prestige, which is especially designed for to control the spillage. So if you have some old pressure cookers and observing some spillage out of some liquids or some food, something like that, from the pressure cooker, this is especially designed. See here, control spillage. That's the reason maybe they have kept the name like Svachh. Prestige Deluxe Alpha Svachh, which is of very good material of stainless steel, 304 grade they are saying, control spillage and deep lid. Okay, we'll see how this looks and how is the material of this stainless steel and how are the handles of this Prestige pressure cooker. Yeah, it is of 3 liters. Okay, 3 liters, durable handles, control gasket release system, unique pressure indicator, and this is induction bottom. Okay, I'll show you the bottom also, whether it is induction or not. Yeah, this is the user manual come warranty, which is in the box only, yeah, user manual, Prestige outer lid pressure cooker user manual. Okay, we'll keep this user manual aside for a moment, and just I took this out, this Prestige, and I'm just giving you the closer look of this pressure cooker from the Prestige. And for the first moment when I saw this pressure cooker, the stainless steel material is looking very premium and high quality stainless steel. And see here, along with the safety pin, there is also another one, yeah, in the lid area. And this is the induction bottom and evenly spread induction bottom. So it is mentioned on the box that this pressure cooker gives you even heat for better cooking of the food inside. Okay, I'll price details and everything and the online availability also at the end of the video I'll show you. For now, the handles are okay, they are decently good, but especially the stainless steel is very good. The handles are a bit short, I felt, this is my personal opinion. Okay, the handles, what I felt, is a bit short. Okay, but the quality is decently good. Yeah, and let me just take this lid out and let us check inside how it is looking inside. And the bottom is widespread, that is one of the biggest advantage. And the lid technology also, they mentioned on the box, like it controls spillage. So whoever who are looking for a branded stainless steel cooker which controls the spillage may have a look at this cooker, Prestige Deluxe Alpha Svachh. Okay, yeah, at the end of the video I'll show you the online availability details also. Let me just take this out. Yeah, this is the inside part, that is the pin they have provided. Yeah, this pin means to evenly release out the pressure, this pin may be provided, means when to take this lid out. Even though when you switch off the gas or switch off the heat, still there is some pressure remaining, right? When to remove this lid, that through that pin you can get to know that. And coming to the online details, it got 4.3 rating, which is very good rating. And the price currently as of today when I am recording this is 2060 rupees, which is a good deal. Maybe after GST decrements, this got a new price. Yeah, and this is of made pure stainless steel with the capacity of 3 liter and lid type is outer lid. Yes, the bottom, which is of induction, may be aluminum. Okay, all the other part is stainless steel. Yeah, I just read in the down part of this online availability page that, and see here, it is mentioned that any spillage that might occur during the course of cooking and prevents that messy liquid. So this is the pressure cooker which is mainly for controlling the spillage. Okay, yeah, if you do have any other questions you can ask in the comments, and please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.